So in this video we see a conversion of a scratch-built Wisbech Tram engine. This was built by myself around about 20 years ago and set up as a manual control. Time has now come for it to move on, and we've actually converted it now to radio control using a MyLocoSound sound card and RC Trains radio control system. The actual radio control system is hidden underneath the boiler. The batteries reside inside the firebox, and there's a speaker mounted underneath the chassis at the front end by the smoke box. The tram itself was built out of plywood, wood strips, and built over an SL engineering chassis. The boiler is a length of drain water pipe, and all the fittings are scratch built using a few white metal castings I had, along with other parts out of the parts box. So let's see how it goes.